In today's video, I'll be giving you an idea about how to protect your Excel files. So for this, I've just created the one file Excel file, and then you can go top over there on the file, click on the file. So when you click on the file, you just go down into the info, hit the info. After that, you'll get the protect work. So click on this, and then you can see the encrypt with the password. So you can put the password. Let's say I'll put the 123 for now. Okay, so I need to re-enter the password again, 123. So now you can see that my file is protected. So now if you download it, then to open the file you need to hit the password that I kept. Thank you.